Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can log into your other account in Instagram app without password. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes and don't forget to write comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. Open the Instagram app on your phone and then you'll need to go to your page. Next, in the top right corner, click on the three bars to go to Settings and Privacy. And this is where you'll need to scroll to the very bottom and go to the Add an Account section. Next, you'll add an existing account. In the next step, click on the right-hand side right here. Forgot password. And now you will need to enter your username or your nickname as you are signed in your other Instagram page. Or you can also enter your phone number. And then click Next. And on the next page, you will be asked to choose where you would prefer Instagram to send you the code or link to sign into your other account. You can have it sent to you either by text message or to your email. You just need to choose one of the two. Also, further click Next. After that, you will be logged into your second account in the Instagram app. Friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. You have seen how you can log into your other Instagram account and without a password. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you soon.